Let's go to the playground, Kimberly.
Okay, Lisa, let's go.
Look at all the rides.
I want to go on the swing.
We can go on the slide after that.
And the merry-go-rounds, too.
Yes, I love the merry-go-round.
That's perfect. Let's play.
Come on, Lisa. Let's play a game.
Okay, Joey. What shall we play?
How about kickball? It's fun.
Okay, but I don't know how.
It's easy, Jenny. You just kick the ball.
I know that, but where do we kick it?
Just anywhere. It's a lot of fun.
Hey, this is fun. Thanks, Joey.
Are we going to the park today, Mom?
Of course we will, David.
When can we go?
After our chores are done.
Okay. What should I do?
First, finish your homework.
I am already finished, Mom.
Clean your room, and we can go.
Wow, it sure is hot today.
Yes, it is. It's probably 90 degrees.
Did you want to go somewhere?
Sure. How about a movie?
A movie would be great, Lisa.
Yes, it will be cool there.
Going to a movie is a great idea.
Anything to cool us down, Alice. Jason, it's time to feed the dog.
Already, Mom? Okay.
We have to feed him twice a day.
What should I give him?
1 can and 1 scoop of dry food.
Is that all?
Yes, that's plenty.
He really likes it, Mom. Mommy, can I have a cat?
A cat? Why do you want one, Margaret?
My friend Betty has one.
She has a cat?
Yes, and her cat is so cute.
You have to take care of it.
I know, Mom. I'll feed it every day.
Okay, Margaret. You'll have a cat. Let's go see a movie, Anthony.
That sounds great, Lisa.
What do you want to see?
Let's see something funny.
Do you know of a good one?
Yes, but let's pick one we both like.
All right. We can look online.
That's a great idea, Lisa.
What are your hobbies and interests?
I love doing outdoor activities like hiking and camping. I also really enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes.
That's really cool. I'm more of an indoor person, but I love to draw. I also enjoy reading.
That's awesome. I've always admired people who can draw or paint. Maybe I'll need to try it out sometime.
Yeah, it's definitely worth giving it a try. You never know, you might discover a new talent.
What do you have for lunch, David? I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That sounds good. I have tuna. Tuna is good too, Daniel. I like jelly. Do you want to trade? Sure, I like tuna. This trade is good for both of us. Yes, it is. Thanks, Daniel. Hey, Linda. Want to play?
Okay, Joseph. What do you want to play?
Let's climb this tree.
No, that's dangerous.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. We can fall.
Just watch, okay? It's easy.
That looks like fun.
Teacher, I have a question to ask.
What is your question?
Are we going to play this morning?
Yes, we are. But not right now.
When are we going to play?
As soon as we finish our lesson.
Can't we go a little early today?
Maybe, if we finish our lesson early.